We're gluing down paper pattern pieces for our first stained glass project. This is rubber cement, and I'm using a very thin coating of it on the glass. Don't put too much on, just enough to cover the pieces that you're about to glue. So I'm setting them out. I like to put them in sort of an orderly fashion, spaced pretty close together, just close enough so that you can get glass cutters through and you can travel your glass cutter from one edge of the glass to another. I think of it as spacing your pieces out like you would cookies on cookie dough. You want to get the most cookies you can out of the dough. And then the whole next step is just removing the glue. Rubber cement dries pretty quickly, but what makes it go faster is using your finger just like this. And you go rather quickly, even if the glue isn't completely dry yet. You can still dry and remove all the glue that's outside of your pieces. And as you can see, it starts kind of crumbling off. That's what you want. But also notice the pieces at the top of the screen, how those are laid out. I'm going to be trying to separate all of those, so you need to have spaces in between those so that your glass cutter can get through. You're going to be doing either slightly curved or straight score lines like roads or paths between each of those pattern pieces. So you keep going and rubbing off all of the rubber cement until there's none left. And when the rubber cement's gone, you're done and you're ready to cut out your pieces.